Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. Man, it's been a long time, but we are back on the range. I'm excited, man. How you been?
It's been a while. I can't wait to do this body armor test again.
Yeah, so here we go. We got some more Tombstone body armor. Now, for the 1,000 new subscribers we just recently got, which I guess we're out of trouble with well, YouTube. We'll see. This will probably jinx us, but yeah. We have a whole bunch of this different body armor. We call it Tombstone body armor because if you wear it, you're probably going to get a tombstone over your head. However, somebody suggested a long time ago, you guys got to do marbles. Well, as you guys know, we've been gone a while doing some other things, but here we go. We have some marble body armor. I bought like every bag multiple times. I went into Walmart. Really? I'd go in there and I'd grab like 5 bags at a time. I think there's about 1,000 or more marbles in here.
It's probably the prettiest one you've ever done.
It's pretty, huh?
Very pretty.
So this is what we're gonna do with it. It weighs about 30 pounds. So it would definitely wear you down if you were to wear it.
It's 2 inches thick.
So anyways, this is what we got. We got this marble body armor, and these are the rounds we're gonna shoot. Justin, what do you got for them to try out today?
Yeah, we're still trying to figure out what order we wanna go in, but I think we'll start with the 300 Blackout. This is our newest one from Bear Creek. Absolutely amazing stuff. So that's not the only Bear Creek rifle we have. We also have a Bear Creek N308 as well. The 308, we'll be shooting the elusive Starburst round. We can't say what it's actually called because, you know,
you get in trouble.
Yeah, I get in trouble because it hurts people's feelings, I guess. So we'll probably do one of these first, maybe followed by the 12 gauge with the Hornady slug. And then I think we might want to save the PZ, or supposedly, allegedly, a PZ round out of the 7.62 54R. This is a Chinese Mosin. But hopefully it is, because it should produce a pretty good light show.
Yeah, well, the bag said it was a PZ. I just opened up my cabinet. I'm like, there's my PZ rounds. It doesn't usually has red paint on it, but it doesn't this time, so.
Yeah, it looks like a normal ball round at this point.
Yeah, if not, well, then it's getting hit with the 54R.
Yeah.
Plain ball round, which is still a great round, one of my favorite rounds.
Oh yeah, hopefully we don't start any grass fires today. It is windy and really dry.
Yeah, that it is. Well, anyways, this is what we got for you. First, a word from our sponsor. Everybody, we are happy to say that this video is sponsored by RTS Tactical, which stands for really tough stuff.
And it is really, actually really tough.
It is.
So we would know. We've tested quite a bit of it.
Yeah, we have tested a bunch of stuff. They just sent us this new armor to test. This is their backpack armor. Most people sell soft armor for your backpack. Not sure why you'd want soft armor on your back.
Yeah, especially if you get hit right in the spine.
Yeah, so really thin. I'm sure this thing will hold up to everything that's on this table. This is 11 by 14, 3A plus. They sell all kinds of different stuff, plate carriers, you name it. Yeah, and this little guy, what's that?
These rapid deploy IFAKs. Super handy for someone as accident prone as I am. It's got everything you need, shears, tourniquet, and of course all your basic medical needs in here. And you saw how quick it deploys. So I think we both have them on both of our kits and got one in the race car.
Why not, right?
Exactly.
And he is accident prone, but so am I. So that's why we both have them.
We work well together.
I carry one in my truck.
Oh, that's smart. Very smart.
Yeah. Well, anyways, thank you to RTS. Check out the link below if you guys need any kind of kit, man. If you need plate carriers, they have multiple different styles, colors, you name it, they got it. In our opinion, it is the best stuff on the market. Check them out, RTS Tactical.
All right, so first round up, we got 300 Blackout. These are hollow points. Still should produce some pretty good damage out of our Bear Creek. You gotta check these guys out. Really affordable, quality stuff. All right, I think we're about ready.
All right, send her, bud.
All right, let's see if I can get it. That was pretty cool.
Dude, it's a good thing we got a med kit. A piece of marble, man, just right past us.
Oh, that's insane. I'm glad it was closer to you and not me this time.
Oh man, if it didn't weigh 40 pounds, This would be some good body armor.
What? It didn't even really phase it.
It like just popped a couple off. I don't even know where you hit it.
We'll just say I hit exactly where I was aiming for.
Yeah,
Or
which
that
was
big
the
marble.
big one. Now, this stuff is still a little tacky because, well, it's supposed to have 72 hours to dry. It's had about 40. Good enough. Hey, anybody want to play marbles?
Kids these days don't know anything about that.
Man, you remember playing marbles, guys?
Most people are going to be like, no.
No.
Like,
Man,
we have
that's it.
phones that consume our lives, and we watch Going Ballistic videos.
This is true. Never mind about marbles. Let's watch Going Ballistic. Okay, there was the first round. What do you want to shoot next?
Well, I still haven't decided. Maybe the 308?
Let's shoot the 308. Let's do it.
Am I yelling because I have earplugs in?
No, not at all.
All right, let's step up the bullet speed. Another Bear Creek Arsenal, AR-10, but we're gonna be shooting a starburst round. So this should produce a pretty good light show. Hopefully not start my entire property on fire. Again, that was Chris's fault. At least one of the 3 times. One time, yeah. So same diameter bullet, just picking up speed.
All right, clear.
We didn't zero this one either, did we?
It's not my problem.
Oh yeah.
It's always yours.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
Wow.
Hey, made it
Okay,
fall.
that packed a punch for sure.
It does.
But I don't see a hole in the
I
back.
don't see a hole in the back either.
Let's check it out.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, there's a lot more marbles on the ground. We haven't even looked at the high speed. We don't even have a high speed camera anymore. Bummer. It hit on this side. Check that out. There is a bulge in the back. So definitely a big difference between
Ooh,
300
that took a big
Blackout.
chunk out.
Whoa, dang.
Wow, that starburst did more than I thought it would.
Holy crap. I did not expect that.
But did it stop it though?
Well, there's no hole in the back. There is a ding where the bullet, or maybe it just pushed a marble into the back. All right, it's kind of like ceramic body armor. You get hit here, you don't want to get hit here again.
Yeah, exactly.
But hey, there's still no hole in the back. There's a bulge, just like there would be
In my pants.
No.
All right. That's just something I wish for.
But let me bring it back down. Anyways, we're gonna go on to the next round here.
Is it 12 gauge?
Yeah,
12 gauge it is.
let's do 12 gauge.
Where am I hitting?
You know what? I'd say down here.
All right, you
Try
got
down
it.
here and let's see what happens. Here we go.
So now it's time for the 12 gauge. We have this Hornady slug. See, it's a copper jacket and shooting it out of a rifled 12 gauge. Probably the cheapest 12 gauge on the market. It's Rossi. Works great though. So bottom left or bottom right?
Bottom right. This one ought to kick pretty good.
All right,
Do
let's
some
see if we can
serious damage.
punch through. If this one doesn't, I'm sure that PZ might. Oh, wow. Marbles went to flying. Did you get hit? You good?
I just hear them landing all around us.
Do you need this?
Medic!
Quit resisting. Oh, I love that thing. That's fun.
This is cool. Anyways, let's check this out. Okay, that one hit high. However,
Wow, that was really high.
but you hit in the same spot, yeah, as the first one, and it still took it. I'm still just blown away by the 308 damage.
Yeah,
I
that's
mean,
That's a huge crater. I thought that 12 gauge would do something comparable to that.
I did too, or a lot more damage.
Yeah.
You got a lot more mass coming at you, but hey, maybe we could sell this as tank armor. It's colorful.
That's true. It'd be festive.
Nope. Still good.
Oh yeah, check out this armor from a previous video. What is that, 2 inches of AR 500? Oh
yeah.
God, can't even pick it up. Imagine wearing that as body armor. That'll stop all 50 BMG, easy. Wait, did we pierce through that with the slap or no?
No, the slap missed because remember the scope came loose on the rifle.
Oh.
And it was the only one I brought.
Oh, I gotcha.
Lessons learned now, we bring more than one round to the range.
Well, when they're that expensive, it's
yeah,
kind of
no kidding. Oh, here we go. There's some jacket there.
Oh, neat.
Not sure, is that, yeah, that's got to be for the slug, huh?
It could be.
Could be, we'll call it for the slug. All right, now for my favorite round, the 54R PZ. Hopefully it is a PZ and not just a ball round, but hey, either way, we're gonna do this together. Here we go. All right, camera's rolling.
Okay. Let's see if we can do this.
Come on, 54R PZ.
You sure you don't want to shoot this one?
PZ.
It's your favorite round.
Nah, go ahead. Oh!
Wow.
That. Woo, it hit my truck, man. Jerk.
It's not my problem.
All right, that made a flash, yay!
Okay, so it is a PZ, hopefully.
There's a lot of freaking marbles on the ground. Oh, man. All right.
Did we go through?
We did not go through, however, it tore your welds up, bro. Look at this. I might have hit high again.
Smells good.
Yeah. Burning epoxy.
Yeah, it looks like it did hit a little high.
Whoa.
It's got a little charred area.
Yeah. Probably hit here.
But it stopped it.
It still stopped it.
So hey, this is plausible.
Okay. We know it hits a little high. This time, where were you aiming?
Yep.
Yeah, you don't know. Okay, we'll try to hit dead center somewhere here. We got a lot of mass left. Now we know there are 54R PZ rounds. Let's shoot another one.
All right, let's give it a try.
Let's do it.
So we got another PZ round coming.
Let's do it.
This is gonna be fun. As long as I can hit where I want to hit. Maybe there.
Whoa, that was awesome.
Did you hear the pieces hit right here? Ting!
Hitting the sheet.
Or was it this?
I don't know. Let's
That's
check
crazy.
it out.
Let's go see what it did.
That was awesome, man. I love those rounds. Whew, that thing stinks. We got a big one.
Ooh, that's the one I was aiming for.
Good. On the ground? It's terrible.
Well, it wasn't on the ground at the time. Look at that. Would you just look at that?
Oh, you had to hit right in. Yeah, I would say that the epoxy was not cured all the way.
Well, maybe it benefited it somehow.
Maybe. Maybe it made it a little bit more elastic or
like dampened it.
something. But you hit down here, so good shot, good shot.
Yay.
All right, I like that. All right, comment below. What do you guys think? We need some more body armor videos. We do have another one coming. And it's going to be interesting, but we'd love to have more ideas, so comment below what type of tombstone body armor you'd like us to make and what rounds you want to see shot at it. Because this one held up, check it out. Nothing in the back. Don't want to take another shot unless you can guide that bullet somewhere here.
Right.
Cool. All right, that was pretty cool.
It was a lot of fun. I miss doing videos with you.
I know, man. We got more coming. We really do. We've been trying to put together some other stuff. I started a new handyman business, moved up in the mountains to the off-grid cabin, which I got to make some more updates on because
Yeah, I still haven't even seen that place.
I know.
Just your videos.
I know. I've been living in it 2 months. So far, so good. But thank you guys for the suggestion of the marble body armor. This was pretty cool.
It held up really well.
Yeah, next
surprised.
time, our next one's going to be pretty interesting. You guys are going to have to wait for it. But again, shout out to RTS Tactical. Thank you guys for sponsoring this video. Again, check out their website for some amazing gear. They got some amazing gear. That's all I got, man. What do you think?
Man, that was a lot of fun. Can't wait for the next one. I know this plate would have held up probably for like 1,000 more rounds or so.
I don't know. Hey, you guys want us to see us shoot this one? If so, comment below. Let us know what rounds. We'll make it happen.
Hell yeah.
But anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll be back.